Good morning. Morning. Happy hump day. How are ya? How's everyone doing here? Buenos dias. Hello, hello. Where the Sims at? You're funny. Ready for FOMC day? I'm not. Doing pretty good. We are already in the middle of the week. I can't believe how fast the week, the days, the month, the year are gone. It's like I'm gonna fall asleep and wake up, it's already 2027. Yeah. Okay, so we have FOMC today. We have data at 10:30. And we have a bunch of earnings after market. So it's gonna be a very interesting day. Very interesting day. Do we have any movement or is it gonna be extremely choppy? Anything pretty much can happen. Yesterday was Taco Tuesday, yes. I did eat tacos yesterday. And I drank one margarita. Only one. Okay. Okay, we're pulling back. Let's see how ES is gonna react to yesterday's lows. Star Wars next Monday. When do we get Under a new season? Under is pretty good. Is Under cancel? What? Wait, I'm confused. Under season 2 is the last season? Hmm? Yeah, season finale is at season 2. What? That is not a good ending. Now I need to rewatch the last 2 episodes because I don't even remember what happened. Do you guys think that was a good ending? Why I was expecting a new season? I don't know. Well, I guess that's it. That was a good show. Good one. Okay, so we have the market dumping here. Really nice reaction of yesterday's highs on NQ. I'm gonna wait and see how ES is gonna react to yesterday's lows. And this is also Friday's lows. Yeah, key level of support there. Remember, we have FOMC today and we have data at 10:30. FOMC today means passing evals day. I love F1C to pass evals on Tradeify and Apex. I don't think you can use news days to pass TPT accounts. I don't think they're allowed that. But you can definitely pass Apex and Tradeify accounts. I know for sure. Spike you contract. I don't like options for this market, to be honest. I think this market's way better for futures. Let's see. It also FOMC, it's good for passing evals because the last two FOMC were not, the market barely moved right before Powell starts speaking, which is when most of the time I pass my evals. Like the market had kind of like a late reaction on the last two FOMCs. Hola. I have a video where I explain you guys how I pass evals on FOMC. Okay, let's see if NQ is gonna hold or react pre-market lows here. I want to see ES going lower and see if it's gonna bounce here or it's gonna lose this support and we can play reactions. Beautiful, beautiful reaction here on NQ off of pre-market low. Yeah, NQ reacting here. This is also where the VWAP is on QQQ. Oil, it's strong. Let's see. Oh yeah. Really big move overnight on oil. Yes. Yeah, you're right, Vector. Yes. That's probably why oil is higher today. You can do whatever you want with Apex evals, but either way, I don't go long with some evals and then short on other evals. That's not how I pass my eval accounts. I don't hedge. Yeah, we're talking about evals, guys, not funded accounts. Yeah, this is why I've been so scared to play in shorts on this market. The shorts are so short-lived. Like, it is scary to go short in this market. Even if we see a big pullback and a possible very good entry to short NQ or ES. Oh yeah, by the way, the trade that I took yesterday played out perfectly. Remember, I took an entry on ES when it held here, support, the same support that I'm waiting for today. Yeah, I got out right here at this resistance yesterday. So I played this entire move on ES yesterday. Yeah, it was a very nice entry. It was very telling that the market didn't want to lose that level. And I'm waiting for that same level today. Guys, and I told you like 1,000 times I don't hedge. That's not how I pass evals. Really nice reaction here on NQ. What a perfect reaction. You can do it with Tradeify and with Apex. There is 1,000 ways that you can pass evals with high volatility. You just gotta find a way that it works for you, or do you feel more comfortable? Also, just remember that passing evals on a high volatility move, it's gonna be risky. Most likely you're gonna blow off a few accounts. So if you cannot handle that, like if your pocket cannot handle blowing up a few accounts, don't try it. Just be patient and wait for a good setup. Okay, let's see if ES is gonna hold here, if we're gonna get the move that I want on ES. Yeah, the other thing that I don't like showing too much how to pass evals fast is that most of the time you're gonna move those bad habits into your funded accounts, because you're gonna see how easy it can be to make a lot of money very fast. Go a little bit lower, ES. I want you a little bit lower. Don't bounce here. Please, okay. Nah, don't bounce here. Go lower. Go lower. Guys, I'm buying Hood shares and Lips also. Hood shares and Lips for 2028. Man, yes, it's gonna go without me. Don't do it. Yeah, that was an ugly trap on NQ. Yeah. Yeah. Hood shares. Hmm. 2028 Lips. From Desert Room? Who's your bro there? Okay, so we have NVIDIA reacting to 12. That's an important level for NVIDIA. It's also reacting the VWAP. We have Apple pulling back to the VWAP, but it's under yesterday's lows. We have SPY trying to break the VWAP. Okay, so I didn't got my level, but I guess if we can break this little resistance here, yeah, the market is really eager to just break out here. Very bullish 30-minute candle here. Yikes. Okay. Yeah, I want to see NQ holding, I'm sorry, ES holding 160. But I definitely don't like this candle. That's a clear rejection candle on ES. Okay, looks better now. We'll see how it's gonna close this 5-minute candle here. Very jumpy market. Yeah, I don't like this price action. But also it's what I was expecting for today, right? Okay, we cannot hold this level here. Yes, could not hold 160. NQ pulling back to pre-market lows. Yeah, NQ looking definitely very interesting. It can really hold this level here. Yes. It's doing higher highs and higher lows. Can he hold it though? Let's see. I'm gonna try it out. Let's see if it can really hold here. Okay, we have data at 10:30. And I'm out. I'm out. I'm gonna wait for data to come up. I do like this hold on NQ. I like it a lot. Yeah, I'm not looking to overstate on my trades today. But that hold looks very, very good. Yeah, we're here to make money. I mean, 190 bucks multiplied by 20. 38, that's 100. Not bad. I should be done here for today, to be honest. But if ES really can keep holding this level just like yesterday, and NQ keep holding this level, I do think we could see a lot more upside today. Just like yesterday, pretty much. Like, I'm kind of expecting EF to do pretty much exactly what it did yesterday, if can hold that level. Like, it moved back down, held the entire morning this support, and then in the afternoon we got a bounce there. I'm kind of expecting the same thing again, if can really hold this level again. I can expect another move higher. Okay, I was on Apex and Tradeify. Both are pretty simple, straightforward. Just follow the rules. You will see on your dashboard that you are allowed to apply for payments. Now, but let's go through. I don't have the info here for Tradeify, but I do have this picture here for Apex. Oopsie. So this is the payout detail for Apex. For the end of the day drawdown accounts, which are the ones I recommend right now, let's just go with the 50k accounts, which is the one that I like the most on Apex, right? 50k accounts, end of the day drawdown. So you need 5 days of $250, just making 250, 5 days. You can take 30 days if you want to make 5 days of 250. It doesn't have to be consecutive days. Just 5 days. You can make today 200, and then tomorrow 100, and then the day after 80, and then 4 more days 250. Up to you how long you want to take to make 250 for 5 days. And then what else? Oh, you need 50% consistency, which is not hard to do. Is it here? Oh, this is not the one. No, this is the email. Where is it? Oh yeah, it's this one. Okay, so you need consistency rule 50%, and then you can apply for payments 6 times after trading for 5 days, and then that's pretty much it. AVR, when you submit bigger profit, doesn't ignore the payout on Apex as it wants consistency. Yeah, the consistency is 50%. 50%. Look the amount of money I'm making daily. I think the biggest day for me per account, it was like 1200 or something like that. Most of the time I make like 300, 400 per account, which is inside the 50% consistency rule. And if I make more money than the 50%, well, I just can apply for payment, but I still have that money on the account, and then I apply for payment the next time. You just have, if that happens, you just have a bigger buffer, and that's it. I like this hold here on ES. I don't like the price action today. We have NQ again trying to hold here. Keyword trying. Looking weak. Ooh. Okay. That looks good. Really looks like wants to hold here. Thank you. Yeah, I kind of want to try these again, but I'm gonna wait. That hold on NQ is tempting me. This is definitely tempting me. Yeah, really nice hold there. Anyone got that hold on NQ? That was perfect. Look at that beauty. Got it? Yeah, that was nice. Yeah, that was perfect. Three out of three, nice. That's what I love about you guys. You guys that are here taking your own trades, just using my levels. And we're discussing different trades, but just because I'm not taking doesn't mean you guys shouldn't be taking trades, right? That's a type of community that I like. I don't like when people are waiting for me to tell them when to enter and when to exit a trade. Yeah. You took the ES loan? Awesome. I find it so funny that people, like traders that don't trade live, they make a lot of money on like Discords and groups and mentoring because people believe that becoming a profitable trader is like a secret. Like they believe more the traders that don't show their trades live because they think there is a secret. Hello, I don't use any indicators for my trading. Yeah, definitely jumpy market, but very bullish. Data it's at 10:30 in 14 minutes. Somebody poke QQQ for me. QQQ is moving really nice. Everything's moving very good. ES and NQ both are moving like respecting their levels. NQ was a little bit crazy here. Like it fake a lot of people out on this move to the downside, but then we have a beautiful hold of our level. In the market, it's looking exactly just like yesterday. It just yesterday took a little bit more to bounce, but it definitely looked like a V-shaped recovery, to be honest. And I think it's been doing the same thing over and over again the past few days. Let's see how Enki is gonna react to yesterday's highs. Oh, these are funded accounts, 50K accounts. That's why I traded with one mini. If these were 25K accounts, I will not be trading with a mini. I'll be trading with a way smaller size. The white line here is yesterday's highs. Yesterday's highs on NQ. Really? Okay, so we have oil data in like 6 minutes. Yeah, the market is so eager to keep going higher. What's moving this? Let me check. Oh, SMH is very strong. Amazon is also very strong. Let's see. Oh yeah, crazy. What's going on with Amazon? Pretty happy that I bought the dip on Amazon. It was a no-brainer to buy that. Dell? Oh, Intel. Sorry. Oh yeah. You sold puts on Amazon? Yeah, that was nice. Okay, we can see NQ kind of reacting yesterday's highs. Let's see if it's really gonna break it or we're gonna have an ugly reaction there. So far, the market is crazy strong. We have data in 4. And it's oil data. That's why I'm waiting for that data, because it's oil. Most of the time, oil is not that important, but because of the war, I do want to see how the market reacts to that. Maybe nothing happens. Who knows? Beautiful, beautiful reaction here. Remember to like the video, guys. Like. Do I ever get recognized? No. No. Oh, that's funny. Okay, I need more coffee. And I need a bathroom break, so I'll be back in like a few minutes. Before, well, yeah, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, we have NQ breaking above PDH. Can it hold it? If I like this hold. Okay, that was easy. Okay, I'm sending one there. I'm setting another one, holding one. Let's see if we can go to pre-market highs. We have a little bit of resistance here. That's why I sold two of my contracts. But if the market keeps being so strong like it is this morning, we could see a move towards these levels here. Nvidia, it's turning around. Let's see if it can break the VWAP. What a beautiful trade. Yeah, the market, surprisingly, is very, very clean today. Good. Below, it's going lower. Yeah, guys, I don't care what hood it's gonna do on today, this week, this month. In fact, if it goes lower to 67, 64, I'm adding more to my position. This is a long-term hold. That's why I bought LIPS for 2028. So forget about hood. I don't day trade options unless I see like an A+++ setup. Especially not today with FOMC, Meta, Microsoft. What else we have today after market? Earnings, we have, let me check. We have Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, Google, Chipotle, if you care about your walk. And then we have Apple tomorrow. So I don't care what Hood does today, or tomorrow, or the next week, or the next month. Doesn't matter to me. Man, what a trade. Okay, I'm out and done. Beautiful day. I'm out and done. What a day. Out and done. Perfect. I was not expecting such a clean day today, to be honest. Almost $8,000 for today, and I'm done. That was beautiful. Beautiful day. Get out of here if you make money today. If NQ breaks these pre-market highs, we're gonna have a lot more upside. ES still needs to go to 180 and then maybe 188. But I'm done, guys. Today was too clean to stay here and fuck around. No need for that. Yeah, time for pickleball. Well, for me, it's gym time. Who made money today? I think we all bank here, right? You did? Awesome, beautiful. That was perfect. Yeah, remember today's FOMC. If you're gonna buy any accounts, use ADR as a code for Tradeify and Apex ADR or ADR Apex for Apex. Love you guys. Thank you for being here. I'm out. See you tomorrow.